Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today I'm going to show you how to make Kool-Aid pie. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video. Since the footage of me working in the kitchen on the Kool-Aid pie, the audio file was pretty bad for those clips, I decided to just do a voiceover going over like what ingredients you need and whatnot and how to make the pie. And yeah, let's just get right to it. Alright, so the ingredients you need are pie crust, whether you get it pre-made or if you make it yourself, a container of Cool Whip, 1 can of condensed milk, and make sure it's condensed milk and not carnation milk, 1 packet of Kool-Aid with your choice of flavor, in which in this case I chose to do the flavor Tropical Punch, a large mixing bowl, and something to mix the mixture with. In this case I'm choosing a fork because, well, I feel like mixing this batter, a fork's pretty easy to use, and yeah, I just like to use the fork. To start off, you have to scoop the whole container of whipped cream into the mixing bowl, followed by pouring in the whole can of condensed milk. Add in the packet of the Kool-Aid flavor of your choice, and then completely stir the two with your fork until the batter is completely smooth. There should be no bumps whatsoever. Once stirring the mixture has been completed, we're then going to scoop in the mixture into the pie crust and then flatten it out as much as possible. I would say maybe use a spoon or the tool that I'm using. I don't know the name of it, but it's some scooper thing that, I don't know, people use to like scoop things out of bowls, cups. Yeah, sorry, I don't know the name of it. And once you finish, you're going to cover it up and then go and store it into the freezer. And I would say about 2 to 4 hours if you want it to be at its best quality. Yeah, I'm done eating the batter, but whatever. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know what you think. And yeah. I'm hoping to one day find the mystery pack Kool-Aid because I feel like that would be really interesting to make since, yeah, I don't know what the hell would be the flavor, but yeah. Sorry. It's just so good. Alright, if you haven't already and you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss so you don't miss any notification for whenever I post a video to my channel. And as always, stay awesome, guys.